Alright, so let's get started. This is a great way to communicate through videos. Quick little videos so you can see what you are getting. So I'm going to lay out the menu in a way that it's similar to the post that I did on the Chia Balls Instagram. And we're just going to change the size so you can print it. And you let me know what you think. So let's continue showing you here what I'm doing. So I'm going to bring the picture in and, oh, come on, it's such a delicious chia parfait right there. It's going to be great. People are going to love it. They're going to be like, oh, can I get some? Alright, so we're going to throw that in the back. Look at that. Isn't that nice? You got the little berries. You got chia berry cup parfait with all these deliciousness in it. You got the mango. You got the coffee, hazelnut. You got the cacao. You got the coconut. And you got the mocha. So it could be nice and simple like this. Maybe, not add too much. And let's make this a little smaller. Which is what you think? All right, and that's a happy little letters right there. So we're gonna put that right here, and then it's really quick. So you can get you going. And the important things. Oh, let's see what's going on here. Come on, you want to cooperate? There you go. So we're going to put that, the parfait. Ooh, look at that. We're going to bring this in here because then when I save it, it's going to save that empty space, and we don't want that, right? So here we go, the chia parfait. It's really simple. You let me know if this is something that could work for you. We could actually just kind of make that smaller. You let me know. It's exactly the same as the one in actually, let's change the color a little bit. Let's change this color. Let's see. We want the we're going to do this and move this here. Boom. Yeah, that's nice. And you print it up, and people just start eating this up. This is great. Look at these. These are all made already, so we can switch them around. We can change the colors. I made like a little candy bar for the cacao because the cacao kind of looks like the Coke. The coffee. So we got the berries, we got the mango, we got the coffee, hazelnut, cacao, coconut, or mocha. Let me know what you think, or if you want to make a more elaborate menu, we could do it all whatever design you need. Let me know.